Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with clean, detangled hair. This reduces slipping and protects strands. Once the hair is manageable, create a horizontal section where you want the clip to hold. Use your thumb to lift hair and place the mini clip base close to the roots, but not on the scalp. Snap it closed firmly. You'll feel a slight click. Make sure the clip grips both top and bottom layers for secure hold. Repeat quickly for additional clips, spacing them evenly for balance and comfort. Once the first clips are in, work through the middle sections to build structure and distribute tension. You place each mini clip so its teeth interlock with a small, even amount of hair. This prevents gaps and slipping. If you're adding layers or twists, secure the base with a clip before shaping the outer section. Make sure to check from different angles and smooth any bumps by adjusting clip angle. This creates a natural silhouette while keeping the style light and comfortable. You finish by setting the style. Press down on each clip to confirm the latch engages fully, then smooth the visible layers. For hold, apply a light mist or a pea-size amount of product. Avoid heavy buildup. If a clip feels tight or pulls, remove it and reinsert with a slightly larger hair sample. If it still pulls, rotate the clip forward an eighth turn so teeth sit flatter. One troubleshooting tip. When a clip keeps slipping, add a small section of textured product at.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.